Hello everybody, thanks for hopping on. Today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to transplant these flowers. These are tiger lilies, or also called orange lilies. They get pretty big. Right now it is the first part of spring. Things are just starting to pop up, so obviously they're really small right now, but last year they just kind of took over this little area of garden that we've got, and this year we want to move them. So follow along on how I do that. First thing you're going to want to do is pull back any mulch if you've got mulch. Pulling this back will make this look a lot cleaner once you put your mulch back. Alright, here I'm just digging down with my shovel. I'm going to hit the dirt at about 6 inches away from the base of the plant. That way I'm not cutting off any other main part of the roots or the bulbs. And I'm just going to hit it from multiple angles, loosen everything up so I can basically just pull everything out as one. Here I'm just kind of evening out my dirt, spreading my mulch back over the spots that I dug up to make those look nice and clean. Alright, so same idea. I cleared my mulch as I did when I started digging. Started digging my hole. Now remember, these root systems weren't very deep. The bulbs don't need to go super deep, so just about a shovel's worth of dirt is all I removed. Take my plant with the root systems and we'll throw her in. Cover her up, and then those things will be looking nice. And voila, there you have it. These things are going to do awesome over here. I'm going to give them a good amount of water, let those soak in. As the days get warmer, once I turn my water on, I'll probably throw a drip over on these. That way they can be kind of automatically watered when everything else gets watered in my garden. So if you have any questions, please comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.